What's going on, guys? It's Jared here. Yeah, sorry for slacking on the videos. I'm coming back. Let's do Q&A. I asked a bunch of people from Twitter and Discord to ask me questions. So, yeah. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? Family, house, making decent money, and becoming a higher up in the company that I currently work for. That'd be pretty cool, honestly. Biggest accomplishment so far in your career? I built 3 computers for was it 3 or 4? I think 3 computers for a YouTuber, and being able to touch a lot of high-end stuff and a lot of server grade stuff. That's like beyond cool. Like building a server with over 4 terabytes of RAM. That's insane. So please marry me. Maybe. What's your favorite esports title? Rocket League. 100% Rocket League. Big fan. What's the best esports team you ever worked with? It's going to be probably a Merc Troop. Merc Troop was like an OG team of mine that I was in. Pretty underrated. We were doing great stuff, and then drama happened, and then someone sold the team. Yeah, it was pretty bad. What is the favorite part? What? Okay, that's okay. What is your favorite part about building computers? Or PCs, same thing. It's going to be probably make sure it works. Honestly, just putting everything on the motherboard box, make sure plug everything in, and make sure it actually works. That's the biggest thing right there. Also thermal paste. Yes. So yeah. Do you think GPUs will go back to MSRP? Yes. If Intel ever comes out with their graphics cards and have more supply, then yeah, probably. Honestly. What was the key factor for you to know streaming and content creation was for you? I know how to talk to people. I know how somewhat of the game works with streaming and content creation. I've been doing it for a while. Yeah, just honestly, you got to be confident in yourself to actually make the video and actually produce it pretty well. So, how did you find your good friends in the streaming community or streaming world? A lot of them I met through a lot of other people because they needed my help with building their computer or troubleshooting them. So then I became friends, and then now they're all partner streamers, and that's pretty cool. So, do you think the RTX 3080 and 3090 are overrated? Yes, they are. No one needs a 3080 or 3090. I don't need a 3080 because I'm running 3 1080p monitors at 144 hertz. And guess what? I only played COD and Rocket League on a 3080. So yeah. What would you change about yourself if you could? I'm honestly I'm a kind-hearted guy, but I'm a bit too nice to people. So probably change that to be a little more, not really aggressive, but like a little bit less nice. But then again, I can't really do that, so I'm a bit too nice. Probably change that kind of thing. What's the dedicated amount of Wham to run a Minecraft over? It's going to be probably 32 gigs RAM and running a different OS. Big time. Yeah, and also have better internet. Is blue your favorite color? Blue and green are actually my favorite colors. Technically turquoise. What's Elon Musk's best feature other than money in his companies? He has the power to make any coin go big. Like, he made Bitcoin go big. He made Sheeb go big pretty fucking fast. So it's pretty cool. And also Dogecoin too. So his Twitter is like massive. Like his Twitter, he has the power of Twitter to make any crypto go big. Favorite joke of my life. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? I mean, I'm in California already, but probably in Texas with a bunch of friends and esports stuff too. That'd be pretty cool. Best starting audio equipment or setup. Probably AT2020 with a microphone, and then with audio interface like a Scarlett, 2i2i 3rd gen solo, and a DAC amp with these HG58X from Sennheiser. They're actually pretty good headphones for like on a budget. When did you start becoming interested in building PCs? Back in 2015 when the PS4 and Xbox One came out, I decided to not really think about building a computer at one point because I want to get like a PS4, and then I'm like, nah, let's build a computer. And then ever since then I got into watching Linus Tech Tips and Awesome Sauce Network, aka Bitwit now. So those guys taught me a lot. Also, Bitwit, I actually did a lot of overclocking on system like that, so I've been watching him a lot, and also Tech City, big time too. So, do you play any instruments? If not, which one would you like to learn and why? No, I don't play any instruments, and probably piano, because I can do a lot of stuff with like I actually learn how to make music and actually do like remixes, so that'd be pretty cool. So yeah, guys, here's a little short video. If you have any more questions, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys later. Please also like and subscribe. All right, see you guys.